Hello, welcome to Rhythm of Data Academy. If you are new to programming, or if you're new to the Python programming language, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to write our very first program. Now this will be a tiny program, however, albeit very simple, it's still a program, and you'll be able to pat yourself on the back and say, hey, I wrote my first program today, so let's get started. So if you go to your screen, you're in the Python Spyder integrated development environment. So if you haven't already downloaded the Anaconda package, go to the link in the description below and download this file and then install it onto your Windows system. Now, I want you to type in the letters P, R, I, N, T, parenthesis, and then quotation mark, and then type W-O-R-L-D, excuse me. First, you want to put the word hello before that, hello, space world, and then put a quotation mark, well actually put a exclamation point and then a quotation mark at the end of the sentence in the parentheses. So what we've done is we've created a print statement, or we've written a print function that will print the sentence hello world to our screen. So the way we do that is we go up to run here, and you see right below the run you have the play button. That's a universal symbol, right? That's the play button or the run button. So if we click this button, this program is supposed to print out the sentence hello world. So let's do that. See what happens. Now if we look down here to our lower right, you see that the program has printed out the sentence hello world. And if your computer has done that, if you've done that, if you've gotten this to work, then you have actually created your first computer program, and congratulations. Now, print statements or print functions can be a lot more complex than what we've done, and we'll go over some of that more in future videos. But I just wanted to do this just to help you get your feet wet. And believe it or not, you've actually written a program. So if anybody ever asks you, have you done any programming, you can say, well, I've written program before, yeah. But stay tuned. A lot more to come. Thanks.